Now if you've purchased a Advanced Programmable charger, the Premium Standard charger, or the Wi-Fi connected charger, you'll have a more advanced 2-piece wiring harness that's going to require a docking port be installed, and this video is going to cover how to install the docking port. With the 3/4 inch step bit, you're going to drill out a location on your passenger side trim. You're going to thread through the wiring harness and route it as shown with the green arrow here. You're going to route it behind and around towards the front of the vehicle. You'll see it coming out the other side. You're going to pull that through, come around to the other side of the vehicle, and then you'll have access to the rest of the wiring harness, so you can continue pulling that through until it is just about snug. Once you have it routed around the rear of the car, you'll be able to begin to put back the trim pieces, because you'll have all the wiring and connections necessary to make all the connections without further routing the wiring, so you can begin putting back all the trim pieces as shown. Much of the trim pieces are going to click back into place. Slide the seatbelt back into its slot, and you can reinstall the 10mm bolt right where my thumb is there. Coming back around the passenger side rear seat, you can route the wiring harness back onto the trim piece, and you'll have access to make the rest of your connection. Of course, the rest of the installation guide will be covered in the QR code that you scan at the top of the package when you receive it.